Hey y'all, welcome back to YOLO Texas. We've got time for one more Lone Star State excursion. Now, if you're like me, it doesn't really feel like Christmas until the tree's trimmed, the mistletoe's hung, and you transform your house into a winter wonderland. Which brings me to Decorator's Warehouse, the largest Christmas store in all of Texas. And with holidays right around the corner, we figured this would be a great place to find an ornament or two, and maybe even so much more. Let's go find out. There's Christmas in there. Located in Arlington, Decorator's Warehouse is a Christmas lover's paradise with everything you need to have the best decorated house on the block. It's all the brainchild of David, a man who obviously loves Christmas and does a pretty good Santa impression too.
Ho, ho, ho! Welcome to Decorator's Warehouse.
Now that is a welcome. This place is magical.
Yeah.
How did this idea come about?
Well, I think it starts when you're a kid. We had the most magical Christmases at our home, and everything was done, and you got up as a kid, you couldn't wait to get out there in the morning. And that is kind of the thing that drove me to start this.
Yeah.
And when we started, the whole goal was to give people a place where they could go back in time, they could remember how they grew up, and just have those memories for their family. So that started, and it just kept growing and growing and growing, and mainly because I love it so much myself, it just is it's a labor of love, really, at the end of the day. So we have just kept adding. We've added some great people, and we build all these sets and this type of thing just to give people that kind of Christmas. So that's kind of how it started, and that's how it keeps growing.
Okay, so I am assuming Christmas is your favorite holiday?
Let me think. Yes, Christmas is my favorite holiday, absolutely. You know,
Okay.
it's the best time of year for everybody, I think.
So what is your type of style for Christmas decor and decorating and Christmas trees? What would you say is your favorite style?
I like it all, but I'm a traditional guy. I like the reds and the greens and all the fun stuff that goes with that, like you're looking at right here, that type of thing. So yeah, I gotta lean towards the traditional, I think, at the end of the day.
All right. Well, you just have it all here.
We've tried to. We definitely tried to. We're so glad you're here and want you to look around, and anything we can do for you, let us know.
Thank you. You definitely are getting us into the holiday spirit.
Good. That's great. That's great.
YOLO Texas approved. At over 60,000 square feet and custom themes to choose from, it's a lot to take in. So it helps to have one of the Decorator Warehouse's helpful staff walk you through it, and these folks, they really know their stuff.
Aerin, these are our most popular product. It's an LED bulb, 50,000 hours, and watch this, my favorite part.
I don't hear any crunch. They don't break?
They don't break, try it.
Hey. Okay, now I know which ones I need to buy. Decorator's Warehouse has its fair share of Christmas decor, including more than 100 styles of Christmas trees. We found out that Decorator's Warehouse is a Newman Gold distributor, but what exactly does that mean for us common folk that don't know the terminology here?
Well, Newman Tree has always been based on quality, long-lasting Christmas trees. As a matter of fact, we wanted to build something that would last a customer for as long as they wanted to replace light bulbs. So again, Newman Gold is only available at Decorator's Warehouse because not only did we build a great product, they make sure that you're happy with it forever.
Welcome back to YOLO Texas, where we're visiting the largest Christmas store in all of Texas. If walking through the store doesn't inspire your creative juices, I don't know what will, but I also hear they have a little craft waiting for me. Let's go find out. If you're a do-it-yourselfer, the Decorator's Warehouse website has some handy video tutorials, and we're happy to let me get my hands on and show me a thing or two about crafting my own holiday swag.
All right, well, the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna use our bow, and I have these already made here just to simplify it, but if you're not sure how to make a bow, we have that on our YouTube station.
Nice.
And it's just wired here in the back.
Okay.
And so we're gonna just drop that down at the top of our swag, and we're gonna wrap that floral wire around the back to secure it in place. So it takes one 10-yard roll to create this swag, and that does include the bow. So that's kind of the base of our teardrop. So now we're ready to add in some pieces. You're gonna be an expert.
And the finished product.
Nice and full and ready to hang on your front door.
Take that, Mark Stewart. Now that I was really feeling the Christmas spirit, it was time to get down to business and fill my shopping cart. But in a place this big, it's easy to get carried away. Merry Christmas. Just wanted to let you know what I wanted for Christmas. That's what we do here, right? I really want PlayStation set. Slip inside a pet turtle. Overalls are coming back. Pokemon game set. BB gun. Don't forget my name, Aerin. If you need a break from crafting or shopping for Christmas decorations, you can recharge your batteries at the Decorators Warehouse's cozy little in-store tea room. Hello. Thank you. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness, this food looks delicious. Oh my. Bon appetit. So if you're looking to decorate this Christmas, drop what you're doing and head to Decorators Warehouse. As for me, after a full day of Christmas preparations and sharing the joy with all my fellow shoppers, it was time to head home. Okay, that's gonna do it for me at the Decorators Warehouse, and I think it's safe to say I'm gonna have the best decorated house in the whole entire block. But the real question is, how am I gonna pack this all in my car right now? We'll see. Come on, Kevin! Planning on decking the halls this holiday? Head to decoratorswarehousearlington.com to find more. Plus, you'll find tutorials of how to craft your own Christmas decorations just like they do in the store.